Bonjour. So, students, as we have done these three things in the last class, okay? La interrogation, les interrogations negative, AC, okay? See, children, this portion, rappel grammatico, this is very important in your perspective, okay? Because we have skipped last year's book, 7th class book. So these are the grammar portion of previous class. So in each chapter you will have some points, okay, under rappel grammatico. So we have to do these grammar portion, okay. We can take it as extra portion, extra syllabus, okay, and this is very important. So in the last class we have done the interrogatio and interrogation negative AC, okay. Then I told you the passage, unseen passage we have done, fine. We have also done les expressions négatives, okay. Now today we are going to do les adverbes de quantité and les adverbes interrogatifs, okay. Now this one, l'heure we have already done in the last class, okay. That is the time. You know how to say time in French, okay. So just take out your last year's notebook and you can have a look. Otherwise you can also see in this book in page number, you can just turn up the pages of the last grammar portion, okay, and you will get a lot of thing here. So just have a look here, page number 108 and 109, okay. So here you will get the things related to time, everything is given here, so you have to do this, okay. So today we are going to do les adverb de quantité. It is also given here in page number 104, okay. 104, this table, you have to learn this table. Now what is les adverb de quantité, I will tell you, okay. I have written in the register and I will be sharing this thing with you in the group, okay. So what is the les adverb de quantité? It is certain adverbs which express quantity are followed by the without the article, okay. Second point, these adverbs are used to describe an uncertain quantity or something that cannot be counted, fine. Now we'll see the examples also. There are total 8 adverb de quantité, okay, adverbs of quantity. Number one is beaucoup de. What is beaucoup? Beaucoup is a lot or many. So beaucoup de is a lot, much or many. Then trop de, too much, too many. Un peu de, a little, few. Assez de, enough. Moins de, less or fewer. Plus de, more. Tant de, so much. Combien de, how much or how many. Okay, so these are the adverbs related to quantity. Now how do you use them? Okay, I have written some examples here, just have a look, okay. Il achète beaucoup de chocolat. He purchases a lot of chocolates, okay. Now elle a assez de crayon. What is assez de? It's okay, sorry, I have written wrongly. The spelling is A, not E, okay. Just correct it, children, it's A, not E, okay. Elle a assez de crayon. What is this? Enough. So she has enough of crayons, or you can say enough crayons or pencils. Now elle boit moins de coca que ma sœur. She drinks less or fewer Coca-Cola than my sister, okay. Combien de disc veux-tu? How many discs you want? Were is vulvar verb, okay. So how many or disc you want. So these are the some examples I have framed. Now what you have to do, the homework is you will do the rest of the quantity and make one sentence. Okay, for example, I have done this boku, asai, mua, and combienda. So you will do throw the, apada, plus the, etonda. Okay, so this will be your homework. You have to frame the sentences related to these adverbs of quantity. Okay, now the second thing which we have missed here is les adverb interrogative. Okay, les adverb interrogative is also given in this page number 105 in your book. Okay, what is this? We have learned the three forms of making questions in French. We also learned qui and qu'est-ce que c'est. To ask for more specific information, we use certain interrogative adverbs. Okay, what are the interrogative adverbs? Like, if you want to say where are you going, okay, where do you live, then if you want to say when is the show, fine, how do you play, like this. Okay, so what are the adverbs of interrogative? जब क्वेश्चन आपको पूछना है तो what will be the adverb? So there are total 5 to 6. Number 1 is où, okay, that is where. Quand is when. Comment is how. Okay, then you can see here combien the, how many. Again, combien the is also adverb of quantity, and you can also use as a interrogative. Now pourquoi is why. What is pourquoi? Why. So pourquoi sort-il? Pourquoi est-ce qu'il sort? Okay, these type of things are there. We answer to the question pourquoi by using past. pourquoi मतलब why. So जब भी आप उसका आंसर देंगे, so that it will start from past. Okay, so these are the adverbs of quantity. I have also written here as well. Okay, like this. Fine. So I hope, children, this is clear to you. So that's it for today. I will be sharing the file with you, so you have to note down in the notebook. Thank you.